When you switch to a new phone, normally you spend the first few days figuring things out. The battery pattern, the UI, the camera quirks. But with the Oppo Find X9, something unusual happened. Within 2-3 days of using it, I realized my entire daily routine had quietly become smoother. Like the device was actively working with me, not against me. So after 2 full weeks of using the Find X9 as my primary phone, here is my in-depth experience packed with real-life examples, not just the specs. Battery, the first flagship that eliminated my battery anxiety. Let me start with what impressed me the most, the 7025 mAh silicon carbon battery. For context, most flagships today sit around 4500 to 5000 mAh. So on paper, 7025 mAh sounds huge, but in real life, this actually changes how you use your phone. My typical workday, heavy messaging, hotspot during commute, constant navigation, lots of photos, social media checks and YouTube. On most phones, this drains 70 to 80% by evening. With the Find X9, I'd reach home at 9 PM with 40 to 45% battery still left. And on light or moderate days, the phone easily stretched to nearly 2 days. The silicon carbon chemistry is not just about capacity, it's built for longevity. Oppo claims the battery retains 80% capacity even after 5 years, which means this phone actually ages better than typical lithium batteries. Overnight standby, barely 1 to 2%. No random drains, no battery anxiety. And when I need a top-up, 80 watt Super VOOC wired plus up to 55 watt PD plus 50 watt Air VOOC wireless plus 10 watt reverse charging. A 15-minute plug-in before leaving home genuinely gave me hours of backup, which is exactly how a flagship should work in 2025. Camera, the most reliable camera system I have used this year. The Find X9 camera system is built around one principle: consistency across all 3 cameras. You get 50 megapixel main sensor, 50 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with triple prism lens. Plus Oppo's new True Color camera, which is basically a tiny spectral sensor that measures light more accurately than the human eye. The second big breakthrough is the Lumo image engine, which uses parallel computing across CPU, GPU, ISP, NPU simultaneously. This dramatically improves clarity, dynamic range, and noise reduction without giving the processed or artificial look. And here's one thing I absolutely loved: the default 50 megapixel mode across all lenses. Most phones bin down to 12 megapixel, but Find X9 gives you a true 50 megapixel images by default, which means insane detail. You can crop into tiny portion of the frame and still get usable clarity. The phone intelligently switches to 25 megapixel or 12 megapixel only in difficult situation like low light or high temperature, so your photos stay noise free. And then there's a 4K motion photo, capturing a still plus a 4K video. If you blink or mistime the shot, just pick a frame from the video with full clarity. For video creators, all cameras including the front support 4K 60 FPS in Dolby Vision with better stabilization and autofocus transitions. And if you're into cinematic shooting, the log format with ACES certification gives you a flat, editable video file that slots perfectly into pro color grading workflows. Design and durability. Premium, practical, and comfortably tough. This phone got compliments almost every day. The flat edge design with slight curvature makes it extremely easy to hold. And at 7.9 mm, it feels sleek despite the huge battery inside. But the most underrated part, 1.15 mm symmetrical bezels, the slimmest on any Oppo phone. It genuinely gives the illusion of a floating display. Now coming to the durability, and this is where the Find X9 beats many expensive flagship IP66, IP68 and IP69 ratings. That means dust-proof, submersion-proof and resistant to high-pressure water jets. And then there's a snap key, a physical button that I grew addicted to. You can map it to flashlight, screenshots, voice recorder, translation or camera. I used it mostly for AI Mindspace. Short press to capture, long press to add a voice note. It became a mini productivity button. Display. Comfortable, bright and perfectly calibrated. The 6.59-inch AMOLED display hits a sweet spot for me. Compact enough to use one-handed and large enough for content. Full screen brightness 1800 nits, peak outdoor 3600 nits. I could use it comfortably under direct sun. It supports Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and HDR Vivid. HDR videos genuinely pop. But my favorite part is usability in low light. The screen dims down to 1 nit, paired with 3840 Hz PWM dimming. This reduces eye strain massively when scrolling at night. And the 3D ultrasonic fingerprint scanner is 35% faster and 33% more reliable, even with wet fingers. Also, motion cues, a very unique addition, reduces car motion sickness by adding subtle movement cues along the edges of the screen. Performance. A phone that refuses to slow down. Inside is the MediaTek Dimensity 9500, built on TSMC's 3nm process, which means better efficiency with faster sustained speeds. In my 2 weeks, I didn't experience a single app reload unless I forced it. Even heavy apps like Lightroom, Canva and Multi-Tab Chrome ran smoothly. The Oppo Trinity engine boosts fluency by syncing frame rendering at a chip level, predicting power requirements and reducing redundant instructions. Practically, this means your phone maintains stable performance even after long sessions of editing or gaming. The redesigned Vapor Chamber covers camera modules too, so even 4K 60fps HDR video recording stays cool. AI photography features. Imaging tech. Now let's talk about the part that really surprised me, the imaging tools inside the Find X9. It honestly feels like someone stuffed a mini Photoshop inside the Gallery app. AI Portrait Glow gives you better face detection, smoother skin tones, and preserved detail. AI Clarity Enhancer instantly sharpens images without making them look crunchy or artificial. AI Unblur fixes minor movements. I recovered 2 photos I would have deleted. AI Eraser removes unwanted objects or people from the background in one tap. On my review trip, I erased a plastic bag from a landscape shot. Gone instantly.
AI Perfect Shot fixes blinks, awkward expressions, and missed moments. Choose the best frame so you look your best. AI Reflection Remover removes unwanted reflections from glass and windows with one tap. Keeps the subject clear and natural without losing details. AI Recompose automatically reframes your photo for better balance and composition. Turns ordinary shots into scroll-stopping visuals instantly.
These tools genuinely upgrade a creator's workflow. You spend less time editing and more time capturing great shots. Connectivity. Stable networking everywhere. Oppo's custom RF chip boosts signal strength by over 30%. Paired with a 360-degree antenna system, this helped me maintain stable internet in tricky areas like basements and elevators. AI Link Boost adjusts network behavior based on the scenario. Streaming, video calls, gaming or file transfers. Wi-Fi 7 plus Bluetooth 6.0 ensure fast transfers and stable accessories. ColorOS 16. AI that saves real time. The biggest strength of ColorOS 16 is not visible polish. It's intelligence.
Oppo X9's AI Mindspace acts like a smart digital planner that automatically organizes your thoughts, tasks, and reminders in one place. It understands context, sorts information intelligently, and helps you plan your day faster. So you spend less time managing and more time doing.
The Snap key makes it feel like a physical shortcut to your second brain. Google Gemini integration helps with rewriting text, summarizing long articles, drafting replies, all without switching apps. Notifications also get smarter. The phone pulls relevant details and presents them cleanly instead of cluttering the shade. Overall, AI doesn't feel gimmicky here. It feels like part of your daily flow. After 2 weeks with the Oppo Find X9, I can confidently say this is one of the most well-rounded flagships of 2025. Incredible battery life, reliable cameras, a brilliant display, powerful sustained performance, and genuinely useful AI features. If you're looking for a flagship that simplifies your day, boosts your creativity, and stays consistent across every scenario, the Oppo Find X9 is a fantastic choice.